This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 PRI Performance Racing Industry Show in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is day 3 and the final day. So we're going to take another little walkabout. The crowds are a little bit down right now, so it's kind of cool. You'll see some of our old friends. Here's Gold Rush Custom Trailers, working hard. Of course, Star Transporters, they're here. It's nice to see a lot of the local folks. Don't look so dour, Bernie. There you go. Now that's a nice face for video. There we go, that's Star Transporters. You'll see a lot of, this is hardcore racing here. Unlike SEMA, which really runs the gamut of anything automotive. BSB shocks, suspension, there's a J-bar. What's cool with these shows is that you can actually come out here and speak to people and get information. Restash Revolution.
Can I answer some questions for you?
I need a winning lottery ticket number.
Okay.
Very good. Don't say anything dirty. I'm shooting video.
I won't.
Okay, very good. Show me your product.
Well, it's a race dash with integrated video and data that is properly synced. So
Cool.
as you pan back and forth through it, it doesn't get out of sync. So it's done
Great.
the right way. Lots of data channels coming in. Control channels can go out. You can reconfigure the dash to see and show what you want to see. This in particular is a predictive lap timer that's running. If you, as a racer, want to see certain alarms come up, you can configure how those come up.
Okay, give me an example of an alarm which I
Oh, yeah.
want to come up.
Well, if you say you got a water temp issue,
Right.
it's starting to climb up, you don't really want to watch a gauge moving.
Right.
You don't
Correct.
have time to process that as the racer.
Right.
You set your threshold level using the laptop, or you can do it on here actually, but you can do it on the laptop in the pit.
Okay.
Put it over, set your threshold level, the alarm comes up, pops up, screen turns red, you get water temp 230. Okay?
Cool.
Now, you can program your cancel button,
Right.
which would be on the steering wheel or on the dash itself.
Right.
But the one on the steering wheel, you can program your cancel button to say, okay, I acknowledge that and cancel, but also bump the temp 10 degrees for the next alarm.
Nice.
So if you see that next alarm, you automatically know it's still rising. So now you're in your head going, okay, I've got 5 laps to go.
Yeah.
Can I make it before this goes kaboom?
Yeah.
You know, or do I have to pit and deal with it?
Excellent. Now this is great for the track. What about drag race?
There is a drag race mode.
Very
where
good.
When you come across the start-finish line, telemetry, if it's available at that track,
Yeah.
can be programmed to, like here, this is a display of like a road race course situation. You know,
Right.
You can come up, and if you're the P2 guy, it'll display your position P2. How far am I behind P1? How far am I ahead of P3?
Wow.
Okay, you acknowledge, go on. You're not
Right.
waiting for that garbled transmission to come over the radio.
Yeah.
You know, and distract you. You're
Yeah.
not waiting. You don't have to look at that and read it. This is
Yeah.
just a display.
But
here.
then again, drag's pretty easy.
Drag on the other side
Right.
is the faster you have the data, the more you know.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So this has got 4G ability up and down.
Perfect.
So you can 4G at the end of the run.
Yeah.
You know what your tire slip was. You know what your clutch slip was. You know
Oh,
what your
that's
60-foot
great.
time was. You know what your trap speed was.
Yes.
You can look at did you lean out at top end, all that kind of stuff, and that's all transmitted back up to the interweb, back down to the pit. So your crew chief knows what he just did,
That's
and he's
great.
like, okay, here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to do this, 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 and this. Okay,
That's
while you're
excellent.
rolling back. And
That's
meanwhile, the
great.
driver's got a display that shows him what that was.
I got to keep rolling. This will be on NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com. Alan, a pleasure.
My
Thanks
pleasure.
for showing us.
Have a blessed day.
Watch for it on there. You do enjoy. Thank you. I love this. No ramp, patented tilt trailer. This stuff is great. Absolutely great. You know, you'll find it here, and this is the thing why you come in to shows like this to see.
Thank you. Have a good one, guys.
All sorts of tech over here. In a quick minute, what's the hot ticket here?
Hot ticket is being able to have custom seat belts, harnesses, and window nets in any color you want. You can pick from your own stitching, patterns, and webbing all throughout every piece of the belt and or window net, whatever you decide to order. We also have custom fire suits and standard fire suits. Whatever color you want, really.
Sounds good. Thank you. That's where the video is going to be. Northeast Wheels and Southeast Wheels.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. That was Team Tech.
Yep.
And the website is?
TeamTech.com, right?
Very good.
TeamTechMotorsports.com.
TTechMotorsports.com. Work on it. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Cooling and heating systems. That's for batteries. They even have for batteries. That's pretty cool. TBM brakes. Lots of displays. See turn 14 up there. Hallmark, of course. Marjoline.
Like, I thought this was going to be fun. I hate this.
Yep, excuse me. Braille Batteries.
Lightweight batteries.
Give me a 1 minute, what's hot in 1 minute?
Yeah, absolutely. So what's hot?
Yes.
It's our Braille lithium-ion battery.
And that is a full battery, it's not a
Full battery.
display.
You pick it up. It's 11.5 pound battery.
Oh my gosh, that's phenomenal.
Right.
Now what kind of amp hours, what am I getting out of that?
25 amp hours out of that guy.
Right.
You got 1250 cold cranking amps, also a pulse cranking amps out of that as well.
Fantastic, 11
And
pounds.
Small block V8 right here, 5.5 pound battery.
You pick up one hand like that?
2 fingers.
Jeez, that is fantastic.
947 cranking amps on that guy.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can really get a good weight distribution with my car with that.
Absolutely, yep.
That's
Make sure
excellent.
Check us out, braillebattery.com.
BrailleBattery.com. Cool beans. This video is going to be on Northeast Wheels events and Southeast Wheels events.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your name is?
Robert.
Robert? All right. Tell your boss you deserve a raise.
Thank you.
Thanks, Robert. We got Viking over here. I was hanging out at Iski Cams, and it's fantastic. The people coming up with all the technical questions and answering everything. What was really cool also was Ed Iskandarian was there answering questions too. It's pretty nice. Now, of course, we are not just drag racing. Oops.
I've been able to hook him up with 2 or 3 guys.
Connecting Solutions. Companies I've never even heard of.
It's very scary about everything. So, I mean, literally, it's like a...
This gives you an idea again of what's here. It's predominantly drag, dirt, and circle, but you really run the full gamut. That's all classic motor books over there. We'll give them a plug. You've got a lot of racetracks who come out here. PRI has really grown and become the go-to for the racing community. Again, you hear SEMA, but this is really, if you're hardcore, this is where you want to go. It's a smaller show, which is really good because you can ask questions and get going. Got smaller people, you got larger people. This is Howard Cams over here. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 PRI show, Performance Racing Industry Show in Indianapolis, Indiana. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you guys at the shows.